Oh, I mean, shoot. I forgot we were filming this today. Jeez, it's about time I do my own show. This is replacing the Kardashians' time slot, right? My name's Crusoe, the wiener dog extraordinaire. Now, I have a little concept of numbers, but supposedly I have millions of followers online, over 1 billion video views to my name, and that my sexiness rating is a solid 11 out of 10. Heck, maybe you've seen me around.
Crusoe, the celebrity Dachshund.
So the celebrity Dachshund. Here he is, Crusoe.
A very special guest. We are happy to have
Crusoe. He went fishing. Crusoe again. I'm telling you, he's everywhere like the Kardashians.
You know you've made it when Ellen calls you adorable. So yeah, I'm small in body, but a heckin' big deal. Alongside being a New York Times bestselling author, I'm also accomplished in many other fields, including pilot, capitan, professional athlete, chef, accountant of the highest designation, turkey the table hunter, and let's not forget, womanizer extraordinaire. I'm also a world traveler, having ventured far and wide. I've sailed the Bahamas, ate baguettes in Paris, explored much of Italy, kicked back in St. Lucia, and toured across much of North America. But back at home, life isn't quite as glamorous with my rather average mom and dad.
Oh, good dog. This is a big old.
That's Dad, who seems to enjoy talking in his silly doggy voice more than he should, even though it does get me going, but who could probably do well to get out of the house once in a while.
Crusoe, look at this huge mess.
And that's Mum. She's pretty great, and definitely my favorite, but is occasionally late on my dinner schedule, plus she complains a little too much. So, that's us. Mum and Dad aren't that interesting, but I more than make up for it. Watch my show for my life at home and on set, abroad and at home, as the Celebrity Dachshund. Coming soon. Keep balling.